Hello viewers, welcome to watch20.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review one of Casio vintage digital wristwatch in full golden. Viewers, it's a ladies wristwatch by Casio company, and it's in full golden. Full golden chain and golden dial. As you can see, the dial is in golden. WR water is this illuminator. There's a light option, mode, start, and you can see the time and also the date and day. It's a pretty attractive and very popular model from Casio. This is complete length, lug to lug, from this end to this end, and also it's a pretty slim dial watch. And this is the back side. Back side of the dial in stainless steel. Stainless steel back, water resistance, and the model number of this watch is LA680WGA-9D. That's the model number, and there's also another variant of this model in full golden, but the dial is black. And this one is full golden, and there are two buttons on the left, one on the right. With this button, this is a mode button, so you can toggle between different functions available in this watch. This is the alarm function, stopwatch, and when you will press it third time, so you will be able to change the time and date. So right now, as you can see, the second one is blinking. So by pressing this button, so right now 10 is blinking. 10 is your hour. So with this, you can basically change the time. Now I want to change the minute, so I will press this one more time. So I want to set to 7:30, so I will just press and hold. So it's 7:30, so I'll press one more time, and then it's I can change the date and the day as well. So this is the month 9. And this is the date 3. So, and this is the day: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So these are the settings, available settings, and how to adjust the digital time with this mode button. And this is a light button. So the light is yellow, as you can see, and also a very powerful light. So you'll be able to see the time at night. So viewers, we will check the weight of this watch in gram, and also we'll check the diameter of the dial, and also we will let you know where you can order this watch online in Pakistan and also internationally, where you can order this watch. So let's check the weight of this watch first, LA680W. So let's check the weight of this watch first. So weight of this watch in gram is 36.2. 36.2 gram is the total weight of this watch. So let's check the diameter of the dial in a millimeter. So let's check the dial dimension in millimeter. So it's 32.4 mm. 32.4 mm is the area that falls on your wrist. 32.4 mm. And thickness is around 9 mm. 9 mm is the thickness of the dial. So viewers, you can order this watch online in Pakistan from our watch store, watchcenter.pk. Cash on delivery is available within Pakistan. And viewers, you can also send us a message on our WhatsApp number 0310-2233-484 to inquire about this watch or any other Casio watch. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel watchcenter.pk to get notification and reviews of Casio and other digital watches and branded watches. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.